Do you want to grow high-yielding eggplants with minimal effort? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you everything from soil preparation to harvesting, so you can start your own successful eggplant farm. Let's get started. There are many eggplant varieties to choose from. Some of the best options include long purple, common for backyard farming, black beauty, large fruit, great for market, Thai eggplant, small, ideal for curries. Choose a variety based on your climate and market demand. Eggplants grow best in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.8. Follow these steps. Till the soil to a depth of 12 inches. Add compost or organic manure for nutrients. Apply lime if the soil is too acidic. Testing your soil before planting ensures better growth. Start eggplants in a nursery bed or seedling trays for strong growth. Here's how. Sow seeds 1 centimeter deep in moist soil. Keep in a warm area, between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Transplant when seedlings reach 4 to 5 true leaves. After 25 to 30 days, they're ready for the field. Transplant seedlings in the field during late afternoon or, cloudy weather. Spacing is key. Rows should be 75 centimeters apart, and plants should be 45 centimeters apart. Water immediately after transplanting to reduce stress. Eggplants need proper fertilization for high yields. Use organic fertilizer like compost or vermicast every 2 weeks. If you prefer synthetic fertilizer, go with 14-14-14 NPK during growth and 10-10-20 NPK at flowering. Mulching helps retain moisture and prevents weeds. Watch out for these common problems: aphids and whiteflies. Use neem oil spray. Eggplant fruit and shoot borer handpick or use pheromone traps. Fungal wilt. Improve drainage and avoid overwatering. Always use organic methods first before chemical sprays. Eggplants are self-pollinating, but bees help improve yield. Avoid spraying pesticides during flowering. Eggplants are ready for harvest 60 to 80 days after transplanting. Look for these signs. Firm and glossy skin, 6 to 8 inches long, variety dependent, and not overripe, with seeds still soft. Store in cool, shaded areas to extend freshness. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a successful eggplant farm. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farming guides. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.